Peas pulao is a delicious, quick and easy recipe. Goes well with any curry. Hello friends, welcome back to Yummy India's Kitchen English channel. Today we will see how to make peas pulao, also called Mutter pulao, in pressure cooker. If you like this recipe, then please hit like button and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe it and hit the bell button to receive new updates from this channel. List of all ingredients used in this recipe is available in the description of this video. Let's start the recipe. I have taken a pressure cooker, put it on hob and wait till it's hot. Add 3 tablespoons of clarified butter, that is desi ghee. Keep the flame at low to medium. Now we will add whole spices to it. I have taken 2 bay leaves, 1 black cardamom, I have split it, 4 to 5 green cardamom, 8 to 10 black pepper, 3 to 4 cloves, and an inch of cinnamon stick. Now add half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Fry it for 10 to 20 seconds. Now add 8 to 10 cashew nuts. Fry it for 30 seconds. Let's add 1 cup of peas. I have taken frozen peas here. Mix it well and cook it for 1 minute. We have fried peas for a minute. Now we will add 1 cup of soaked basmati rice. I have taken a cup of basmati rice, washed it well and soaked it in water for 15 to 20 minutes. Then I have removed all the waters out of it. Mix it well and fry it for a minute. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of salt and a half lime juice. Mix it well. Now we will add 1.5 cup of water. Water quantity should always be 1.5 times of the rice. Put the pressure cooker lid on and cook it on a high flame till you get 1 whistle. So 1 whistle is done now. Turn off the flame and wait till the pressure gets released from the cooker. Pressure is released now. We will check our pulao. It's not yet ready. We'll wait for 10 minutes so that the stickiness of pulao goes away. After patiently waiting for 10 minutes, now our pulao is ready to serve. Enjoy it with any curry or curd. Please follow us on social media. Links are available in the description of this video. For recipe in Hindi, check our Hindi channel. Link is available in the description. If you want to try some more yummy rice recipes, do check the playlist appearing on left top section of the screen. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.